YouTube, it's your boy Wavy Crockett, man, and I'm back with another video on how to get your weak side stronger and what I've been doing to get my weak side stronger. So I'm gonna show y'all my weak side. So this right here is my weak side. Like this area right here is just not cooperating. You know, it's just not cooperating right in this area. So what I've been doing is, when I brush a lot different than people. Like some people count the strokes, you know. Some people just brush, you know. But me, I brush for time. So I brush for time. So if I say I'm gonna get an hour session in, then it might be such as, or let's say I'm gonna get a 30-minute session in. I'll do 10 minutes with the comb, but once I get to 5 minutes, the next 5 minutes will be just my weak side. So let's do that. Okay, so I just did 5 minutes, my whole head. 5 minutes, my whole head. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did my whole head. The next 5 minutes will be just in this area. It'll be just in this area. And so after I comb, I'll go straight to my hard brush. So that's what I'll do again. I'll go in, boom, 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 for 5 minutes. The next 5 will be right there, only on that spot. Then the next thing I do, I go to my Wave Enforcer 544 for vertical brushing only. So I go in, boom, 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 vertical, 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 vertical. That next 5 minutes, boom, 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 only on that spot. The next brush I use is the Diane 8119. I'll go in once again. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Whole head, whole head, whole head. But when I get to the next 5, it's just this area, just this area, just this area, just this area. That's it. The next brush I go in with will be the Diane 8169. And what's going to happen? 5 minutes. Going in, going in, going in, going in, going in. 5, 5, 5. Boom, 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 boom. Going in. That next 5 minutes is only in this area. Only in this area. The next one. Next thing I do is going to be my plastic bag. Where is it? Where is my plastic bag? Bang. Plastic bag. 5 minutes. Boom. 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 That next 5 minutes, it'll be just on that area, helping that lay down and stay the way I want it to stay. The next brush I use, the Annie 2080. Good brush. Finisher. And when I mean my finisher brush, it's going to lay all my hairs down. All my hairs down. So boom, I go in once again. Boom, 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 bang. Got it, bang, bang. That next 5 minutes, it's only right here. It's only in that area. Only in that area. Then, back to this to lay them down even more. 5 minutes. After that, 5 minutes, just this area. And I've only been doing this for about maybe a week now. And it's been helping my weak side come in a lot better, man. So, like, subscribe, man. I'm going to leave a picture of basically what you can do. This is a whole session I do at night. This is my night session that I do. So I'm going to leave a picture of it. It's going to have the times. It's going to have what I do, what brush it is. And you guys try that out. You can use the brushes you have. If you don't have that much time, break it down to the amount of time you do have to brush. So like, subscribe, and Wavy Crockett signing out.